afternoon. I'm Raine Musñgi. This is Newsfeed. Local share prices book modest gains as investors look ahead to the release of local corporate earnings. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index rose 15 points or 0.2% to finish the week up 1.4%. The value turnover picked up to 6.4 billion pesos as advancers beat decliners 103 to 91. Five of the most heavily traded stocks closed in the green, except for billionaire Enrique Razon's Manila Water, which is down 1.5%. Another Razon-owned company, International Container Terminal Services, was the day's most actively traded stock, rising 0.2%. Pacing the market were gains in the mining and oil and property counters. Ayala Corporation is selling a portion of its stake in fintech giant GCash to Japan's Mitsubishi Corporation. The Japanese trading giant is investing a minimum of 18.4 billion pesos to acquire a 50% stake in Ayala-owned AC Ventures, which holds about 13% of Globe Fintech Innovations, or Mint. That's the parent company of GCash. Mint was valued at $5 billion in August when another Japanese firm, MUFG, invested around $400 million for an 8% stake in the company. Billionaire Lucio Co's Philippine Bank of Communications ends its 2 billion peso bond offering early due to strong investor demand. The offer period was supposed to run from October 14 to 18. The Series A bonds, the first tranche of the bank's 15 billion peso bond program, have a tenor of 1.5 years and a fixed rate of about 6%. Proceeds from the maiden peso bond issuance will be used to refinance debt, diversify funding sources, and support loan growth. Businessman Ernesto Ang's Primx cancels a deal for the development of Pullman Hotel in San Juan City, citing a difference in design preference. The real estate firm initially tapped international hotel group Accor to manage the 200-room upscale hotel in Manila at its Primx Tower in San Juan. The listed company says it is now exploring partnerships with other foreign hotel operators to pursue the project. And overseas, China's economy expands at its slowest pace since early 2023 in the third quarter of the year. The gross domestic product grew 4.6% year-on-year. While this tops market expectations of 4.5%, it's still lower than the 4.7% expansion in the second quarter. The weaker growth highlights Beijing's struggles to increase consumer confidence and revive the crisis-hit property sector. Authorities recently unveiled several stimulus measures to shore up the economy, including a string of rate cuts and relaxed rules on home buying. And before we go, here are today's market winners and losers. Those are the news this hour. I'm Raine Musñgi. Stay tuned to BNC on Free TV Channel 31, Channel 24 on Cignal, and on our website, bnc.ph. Thank you so much for watching.